how to make your own original sound on TikTok. So you may have seen people making their own original sound. So if you want to make your own, then this video might help you. Make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of TikTok, from where you'll be able to explore various videos over here. So for making your original sound, you need to first create a video. For that, you just can tap over the plus option in the middle of the lower button. Basically, there are two ways to do so. So let's talk about the first way. So the first way, you just can create a video on your original sound without having the other sound. You just can tap over the red option, and by doing that, the video will be created and the sound of yours will be original. That's the thing. But if you have screen recorded some of the audio and you want to make it your original, then you just can tap over the upload option at the right button. So you can also screen record the audio from the YouTube and it will be saved on your gallery, and from over here you just can tap over the video and you can go for the next, and by doing that, audio on this video will be your original sound whenever you post on the TikTok. That's the thing. From over here you just can go over the next, and for the audio you can post this video to the private over here. By doing that, whenever the video is posted, the sound will be your original sound. You'll be easily able to see that. So this is how you can make your original sound on TikTok. If you still have got some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.